Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Okay, we're gonna do a little comparison today. Now, these two trucks are up here at a shop that does restoration work and repair work on older vehicles. I'm not sure why these two are up here. Both of them have been restored at one point. It looks like the Dodge is needing a paint job again. I see some, it's like it's got clear coat or something put it on the roof. But anyway, I want to do a comparison. They're both beautiful looking trucks. I like them both, I really do. But which one do you like the best? So we have the Dodge, the blue one here. And the guy tells me it's a 49. And he said the 50 he believes, the 40 he believes is a 50. So let's walk around these two trucks. And like I said, the Dodge needs to be repainted again. It's definitely, it's like the grill. Got a few little dings. They didn't chrome the bumper. And a little piece in the center of the hood. It's got the wing hood. And they fold up into the clamshell, I think they call it. Yeah, she definitely needs to be, it's probably the paint, not the clear coat. Yeah, we need a paint job on this old Dodge. Still a cool old truck though. My understanding is it's all original. Right down to the brakes. Original as in it was restored original. Which one do you like best? You like the Dodge? I know the Dodge needs a lot of paint, but other than that, or do you like the Ford? The Ford has got some aftermarket wheels. We'll show you that here in a minute. Let's see if we can. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is an older restoration. It's in need of it again. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look at that mirror. Yeah, this is John's garage. Place right not too far from my house. I gotta tell you, I like the front end styling of the Dodge. I do indeed like that. That's pretty cool. It's got the Ram, even way back then it had the Ram's hood. Split windshield. It's a 5 window. Is this what you call a 5 window? Yeah, man, I think that's cool. I like that. All right, let's look at the Ford. See what you would do. I'm not going to raise the hood. You pull this up, and the hood kind of clamshells up, so you can work on it a little easier as opposed to one that lifts all the way straight up. Like I think the Ford's going to do that. I believe on the Ford, if I ain't mistaken, you pull one of these levers out, and the hood raises up. I do see a few little chips on the Ford. And right here is where hand crank would go. Now I found out about that. The hand cranks were the law because of so many trucks going to farms where they continue to use hand cranks well after the starter motors were put on them. Got aftermarket wheels on it. Somebody's opened this door. It wasn't me. But I did a Studebaker and I was asking about the hand crank. Somebody in the comments said that, and a couple people agreed with him. Ford is definitely, oh, we got some water. That needs to drain out. Ford is definitely got a little better paint job. So the Ford's got the larger fenders, whereas the Dodge just has the curve over the wheel opening. Which do you prefer, guys? Since that door over there, well, I guess we'll just open this one. I did open that door. Pretty cool. I don't know if, yeah, we can judge him by that air cleaner. I'm thinking we probably got a hot rod motor in this truck. I wonder I can't get the door. Yeah, we got a few little paint chips and stuff happening on it. Doesn't have the split window, and it's only got in the front the windshield, and the back window is just the one window. It's not the big window or the. Personally, I like the way the Dodge windows are myself. I do like the front glass, but the split window is kind of cool too. They are both gorgeous styled trucks. My goodness. Got a little add-on here for the turn signals, parking lights. Pretty nice looking trucks, guys. What do you think? F1? Not sure what they call that year Dodge. Somebody's taking the windshield wipers off of it. So that may be broke. I would imagine you can buy all that stuff for these trucks. Anyhow, you tell me, guys, which one do you like? The Dodge or the Ford? All right, that's going to end this video. Folks, I appreciate it. We're closed in on 5,000 subscribers. We went over the 1 million view mark 6 weeks ago. We're marching right on in 1,100,000. And we've got a lot of videos on the channel. Appreciate it if you'd hit the thumbs up on this, hit that bell notification if you want to see all the updates we got. We do a lot of automotive content on this channel, something for everybody. We've got drag racing, junkyard crawls, swap meets, vintage car collections, private collections, car auctions, even some stuff we're working on in the shop that we do. So all kind of neat stuff. Scroll down, it's over 4 years. You can scroll down and find something you like, watch that video, and please hit the thumbs up on that too. All right, guys, Bob out.